Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and are staying at home. I also hope that you are going on your studies regularly. You are welcome from our Kolavaria online school program. In our last class, we discussed about step 1, where we sized superlative 1 to comparative and positive, but their meaning was not sensed. Today we will discuss about step 2, where we will size superlative 2 into comparative and positive, but their meaning will not be sensed. Now follow my whiteboard. Step 2, superlative superlative 2 structure, subject plus verb plus on of the plus adjective 3 plus object plural plus in oblique in this oblique of all oblique area. Already we have learned this structure and the sentence using this structure in our first class. Using this structure, again I will write in a sentence. He is one of the tallest boys in this school. Now, check the structure. Subject he, verb is one of the adjective 3 tallest, object boys plural in this area school. Today we will size this superlative 2 into comparative, but their meaning will not be changed. Now I am writing the structure of comparative. Comparative structure, subject plus verb plus adjective 2 plus then plus most other plus plural plus in oblique in this oblique of all plus area. Now we will send this sentence using comparative superlative 2 into comparative sentence. Here the structure. By using this structure, we will change this sentence into sentence using comparative form. Subject he is taller than most other boys in this school. Dear students, now check this structure. Subject he, verb is, adjective to, taller than, most other, object plural, boys in this area school. Now follow that the sentence using superlative to has been changed into comparative very easily by using this structure. So practice it regularly and you will be able to sense any form of adjective by using three structures under step 2. You can sense one form of adjective to another by using the structure under 2. Now write down this structure. Then we will discuss about positive degree. That means the sentence using positive form of adjective. I think that already you have finished writing. Now I am erasing comparative structure and its sentence. Dear student, now I am writing the structure of sentence by using positive form of adjective. We will sense every form of adjective by using the structure under step 2, but we cannot cross the border of step 2. If we go to another steps, then our sentence will be wrong. Now I am writing the structure of sentence by using positive form. Very few plus object plural plus in oblique in this oblique of all plus area plus verb plural plus as adjective on plus as plus subject. Dear student, follow this structure. Very few plus object must be plural, then in oblique in this oblique all. Here it has three options. You will have to use one of the three. Then area. About area already we have discussed in our first class. One can be the best in an area if you stay in an area alone, then you cannot be the best. When you want to be the best, then you will have to compare with other similar as you. Now, as plus adjective on, that means positive form of adjective, then as, then subject. By using this structure, we will change this sentence by using superlative to into positive, but their meaning will not be changed. Now we are changing this sentence into positive. Very few boys in this school are as tall as he. Here verb is plural form. Dear students, I think that already you can understand. And now write down this structure and the sentence which has been changed into positive form the sentence by using superlative to. Now check the structure and sentence. Very few, object plural, boys in this area school, verb plural are, as, adjective on tall, adjective, no, as, the subject he. Dear student, I think you can understand my discussion. If you try or practice it, I think you will be able to sense any form of adjective by using three structures under step 2. But you have limitation that the sentence using any form of adjective under 2, then you will have to sense another form of adjective by using the structure only under step 2. Now write down this structure. I think that already you have finished writing. I think that you all are going on your studies regularly. Stay at home and stay safe. Thanks for the next class.